The guide fence is the foundation of the saw's fence assembly. It is precisely milled so your saw can make accurate cuts. It attaches to the saw's base and is aligned to the blade for accuracy. The fence can become bent or even cracked if something hits against it, or if there is a major kickback while cutting. A damaged fence will result in inaccurate cuts. Replacing the guide fence is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the left side upper fence. Now remove the lower fence. I'll unscrew the knob and loosen the set screw on the other side. With the knob and screw loosened, I can go ahead and remove the fence. And now the other lower fence. Now I can remove the guide fence. It's secured with 4 bolts. Now I can install the new fence. There's a few parts I'll need to transfer from the old fence to the new. The knobs, now I'll transfer over the center lower fence clamps. These are made up of a set screw, a steel pin, and a steel ball bearing. I'll remove the set screw and then use a magnet to remove the pin and ball bearing. As I install the clamp assembly to the new fence, I'll apply a little grease to the ball bearing so it doesn't roll away. Then the pin and the set screw. Now I'll reattach the guide fence to the saw. I'll align it with the mounting holes and install the screws. For now, I'll just leave the screws finger tight. Next, I need to align the fence to the blade. I'm going to tighten up one of the outer screws, but leave the other 3 loose. I'll use a small combination square to square the fence to the blade. I lower the blade down and align the square with the fence and the blade. And then I'll make any adjustments to the fence until it shows square. Just a little more. Once it's aligned, I'll tighten the screw on the opposite side of the fence. I'll tighten the opposite screw on the outermost edge. Check one more time. That looks good. So now I'll tighten the other 2 screws. Now I'll reinstall the lower and upper fences. Tighten up the knob. On the Allen screw side, I'll need to tune the tightness on this screw. I want it tight enough so I don't have play in the fence, but not so tight that I can't move the fence. I'll start by tightening the screw until I feel the ball bearing hit the fence. Then I'll back the screw off a 1/4 of a turn. and see how that feels. Still a little too tight. Take another quarter turn and try again. It's a little better. One more quarter turn. That seems good. And I'll tighten up the knob. Now I can install the upper fence. And I'll repeat this on the other side. And that's all it takes to replace the guide fence on your miter saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.